Hello everyone, I am Munesh Dadha, lecturer working at IHM Rohtak. I am again present in front of you with a very interesting topic, which is how to make Irish coffee live in front of the customer using the Guéridon service style. So before I move on to the actual process of making Irish coffee, let me take you through the mise à plat, the items that we need on the trolley. So we need the Paris goblet or any standard goblet will do. We need a coffee pot containing the appropriate portion of piping hot coffee. Then we need a milk pot, or also called as creamer, wherein we have slightly whipped cream. Then a measure of Irish whiskey. The brand that I have used here is Jameson whiskey. If you don't have Jameson Irish whiskey brand, you can go for any other brand, that will be equally fine. Then here you will see we have got a brown sugar. Ideally brown sugar is preferred here. And the Irish whiskey I have already told you about. So this is my area where I'll be working. So without further delay, let me take you through the process. How do we make the Irish coffee? So first I'm gonna take brown sugar and I'll be adding 2 spoons of brown sugar directly into the Paris goblet. In case you don't have Paris goblet, any other goblet will do as well. Now after this you will be taking the measure of Irish whiskey here. This measure can be 30 ml, 25 ml, depends upon the standards. International standards usually say it is 25 ml, but Indian standards keep it 30 ml. So directly you will pour the measure into the glass. Once it is done, you will be giving it a quick stir. So the stirring will allow the brown sugar to dissolve into the Irish whiskey here. So we'll give it few more quick stirs and then we are all set. Through with the stirring here, the sugar has quite dissolved here. Now right after this I have to pour my piping hot black coffee directly into the glass. So a very crucial step here, I'll be using the back of the spoon while pouring the coffee inside the Paris goblet. The reason is that the spoon will prevent the breakage of the glass or the cracking of the glass due to excessive heat, because this spoon will be acting as a heat conductor. So from the back of the bar spoon or any other spoon you can use it, you will be sliding down your coffee into the goblet. This is how you will be doing it. Alright, so this is the appropriate level, because we need to leave some room for pouring the slightly whipped cream also. Now after this I'll be giving few more gentle stirs into the glass so that all the ingredients mixes well here. Now right after this I will transfer this spoon to the plate, and now the next very important step is to pour the slightly whipped cream into the glass. So if I don't use the spoon and directly I pour the whipped cream into the goblet here, it will be reaching down at the bottom, at the base of the glass. So the idea is that I have to float the whipped cream here. So to float it, again I'll be using the back of the spoon and I'll be gently pouring it, so the cream will not be going down into the glass, rather it will start floating evenly. So you see how beautifully it is going into the glass and it is spreading. Alright, so this is it. I'm almost through with pouring the cream here. And yes, we are all set to go. This is done. You will lift the Irish coffee here using an underliner and you'll be serving it to your guest. Alright, we are all set to enjoy it now.